This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Motorola phone. So what you want to do is launch into the recovery mode. So if you look on the side here, we're going to see the volume down button and the power button. Let's hold both these down if we have our phone turned on. So hold both these down and wait for the phone to turn off. So when the phone turns off, I'm going to let go briefly and then press those two buttons down again. So volume down and power button, and this will launch into the recovery mode. Now use the volume down arrow and go to where it says recovery mode. Press the power button right here, and then it's going to launch into the screen. And if it says no command, what you want to do is hold down the power button and then press the volume up button. And then we got all these different options on here. Use the volume down button and go on down to where it says reset. So let's go on down to where it says reset right now. And then we can wipe the data and factory reset. So this option right here. So just go to it and then press the power button and you can completely reset your phone. So if you forgot your password or something like that to log in, you can reset it right there, but then you're gonna have to log in once again with your email address and password for Google. And then all your photos are gonna be deleted too. So you might have them backed up under Google Photos though. So you can always look at that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.